Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and long hair can be a glory to a woman, but it also can be a big pain to take care of. So that's why I got the Wet Brush Pop and Go Detangler. Now, I live a very busy life, and sometimes I have to be gone all day. Now, I love all my wet brushes, but some of them were too big to carry with me. So I was thrilled to see that there was a foldable version of them. Now, the Wet Brush brand is known for the bristles that can detangle without damaging your hair. And now I have this ability wherever I want to go. It can be easily placed in my purse, in my travel pouch, even my camping bag. So even though it's compact, I find it has no problems brushing all of the hair I now have. And of course, the mirror helps to confirm you still look good. Maybe I should try looking later. But it's an amazing brush on the go to help you keep looking your best. And that's my point of view.